In today's world, access to the right financing can unlock opportunities, empower businesses, and transform lives. But many institutions still face challenges: complex loan management, long approval times, risk of default, and lack of visibility into financed assets. That's why Fintech Group developed LeasePAC, an advanced asset-based financing management system that simplifies and automates the entire financing lifecycle. From customer application to credit evaluation, approval, disbursement, and repayment tracking, LeasePAC provides one seamless, fully digital platform designed to boost efficiency and reduce risks. And it gets even better. LeasePAC also powers vehicle asset financing. Whether it's individuals financing their dream car, SMEs acquiring delivery vans, or corporations managing entire fleets, LeasePAC makes vehicle financing simple, flexible, and secure. With built-in risk management, real-time asset tracking, flexible repayment schedules, and advanced reporting tools, LeasePAC ensures lenders have the control, transparency, and confidence they need. LeasePAC by Fintech Group is more than a system, it's a partner in growth. Helping financial institutions scale, empowering customers to achieve dreams, and driving economic impact. LeasePAC, asset-based financing management system powered by Fintech Group.